Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you learn how to play good graces on guitar. We'll start by breaking down the fundamental chord progression, which is the backbone of the song. Then, we'll focus on mastering the unique strumming pattern that gives good graces its distinctive feel. Finally, I'll guide you through effective finger placement to ensure your chord changes are smooth and effortless, making the learning process enjoyable. The core of good graces relies on just four essential chords: G, C, M, and D. It's crucial to ensure your fingers are properly curved when forming these shapes, preventing any unwanted muted strings. Take your time practicing the transitions between each of these four chords. Start slowly, focusing on accuracy over speed, and soon you'll be moving between them with ease and confidence.
If you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. And hey, staying hydrated is super important, especially during those long practice sessions. Grab an Oala water bottle to keep your focus sharp and your energy up. You can find the link for this fantastic bottle, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
For the signature rhythm of good graces, adopt a consistent down-down-up-up-down-up strumming pattern. Keep your strumming hand relaxed and loose. This allows for a more natural and fluid sound. Pay special attention to emphasizing the first downstroke in each measure. This subtle accentuation is key to capturing the song's infectious groove and making it sound authentic. To truly master good graces, consistent practice is key. Begin by practicing at a very slow tempo, perhaps using a metronome, to build muscle memory and accuracy. As your fingers become more comfortable and precise, gradually increase your speed. Additionally, listen to the original song frequently. This helps internalize the timing and feel, guiding your playing towards perfection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.